Welcome back, Promation Nation. Valentine's Day is officially here, so we're showing our love and appreciation for our robotics division in a unique and special way this year. In today's video, our team is teamed up to solder this heart-shaped circuit board. Before diving in, I'd like to remind you to click that like and subscribe button to stay posted with all of our new videos and new content within our channel. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get started. Well everyone, this concludes our Valentine's Day video special. We hope today was as fun for you as it was for us. Be sure to leave us some love in that comment section and visit us online at www.promationusa.com. We'll see you next time, and remember to go pro.